In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable your active status on Instagram. If you want to browse Instagram without others knowing when you're online or when you were last active, this setting is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through the process on both the mobile app and the website, and I'll share a few quick tips so you know exactly what to expect once it's turned off. Let's start on the Instagram app, whether you're on iPhone or Android. Open the Instagram app and head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap the three-line menu at the top right to open the main menu. Choose Settings, then tap Privacy. In the Privacy section, look for the Interactions area and select Activity Status. You'll see an option labeled Show Activity Status. Toggle that switch off by sliding it to the left. Once it's disabled, people you follow or anyone you've messaged won't be able to see when you're active or your most recent active time. A quick note here, when you turn off your activity status, you also won't be able to see other people's activity status. That's normal and part of how the feature works. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same place and switch it back on in a second. Now, if you prefer to do this on a computer, you can use the Instagram website. Go to instagram.com and log into your account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings. Next, click Privacy and Security. Scroll until you find Activity Status. There's a checkbox next to Show Activity Status. Uncheck that box and you're done. This hides your online presence and last active time while you continue to use the platform more privately. Keep in mind, interface labels can occasionally shift with app updates. If you don't see the exact wording, look for Privacy inside Settings and then Activity Status within that section. The option is always called Show Activity Status, and turning it off is just a single tap or click. That's all there is to it. Whether you use Instagram on your phone or your browser, disabling your activity status is quick and completely reversible. Enjoy scrolling, posting, and messaging without broadcasting when you're online. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.